Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lisa with your kick-ass news flash of what's up at American Eagle. What's up? We have a jam-packed weekend planned for you. The sun's out, the bikes are going to be out. We have test rides going on all day. So make sure when you take a test ride, you're going to get a free gift as well. So make sure you check that out. Can't think of a better way. Get out of the air conditioning and get a little bit of that nice warm air blowing in your face. What else is going on is we're going to actually kick off Saturday morning with our HOG chapter. Our AEHOG chapter is having their chapter meeting at 10 a.m. from 10 to 11 upstairs in the HOG room. So if you always want to know what HOG was about or looking for new people to ride with, come out and join our HOG chapter. Meet us, find out what we're all about, and you know what? You just might find some new riding buddies. Eric's going to be upstairs tattooing. Nolan's going to be over here pinstriping. We're going to be doing our Rolling Sturgis to Milwaukee giveaways, which means we're going to be giving away this kick-ass guitar, the Bertello Pizza Oven, the wristbands to stay at the Pappy Hoel Campground for Sturgis 2026, the museum passes. We're giving all that away this Saturday at 2 o'clock, so make sure that you come out and join us, get your last set of keywords for our giveaways, because this is the place to be and you could leave a winner. So we're going to be here. All we need is you. Another kick-ass Saturday at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Come on out and jam with us. We will see you then.